Hey guys, it's Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use slapback delay in Logic. This is a very vintage type of delay sound that was used a lot in the 50s for like blues and rock. So Elvis, Led Zeppelin, they used it a lot, and it's great on vocals, guitars and drums. It can of course be used on other things, but those are what it was primarily used on. I'm just going to demo it on a bit of guitar here. So I've just got this lead sound, which sounds like this. It's just sounding a little thin, so we're going to put a bit of slapback on that. So I've just put on the tape delay here, and the idea of using slapback delay is it's a very, very quick delay, usually between 40 and 120 milliseconds, and it will be a single repeat delay, so just a single echo. So as you can see, I've got 0% feedback here to make sure that we only just get that one echo. Very quick delay time of 72 milliseconds, and then quite a low wet to dry ratio. So I'll just play around and I'll show you how we've kind of achieved this. So here's what it sounds like with the tape delay on. So it's just thickening it up quite nicely. Whereas if I increase this, it's becoming a bit too separate from it. So just keep it nice and quick, but not too quick so you can't really hear it. And if I start to introduce the feedback as well, it's just going on for a little bit too long, so just keep that on 0. And again, if we introduce the wet signal, it becomes a bit messy opposed to thick and lush. So keep that nice and low. So in context with everything as well. It just helped to bring it out a bit more. This is a really cool and actually very easy sound to achieve. You can use it on, as I said, pretty much anything you want, but it's mostly used on vocals, guitars and drums. It can really give you some thick drum sounds as well as giving that really lush vocal sound too. But it can also be cool on like lead synths as well. It can be really good on that. Any sounds that you want in the foreground of your song. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact me via my website. Thanks a lot for watching. Cheers.